Applied AI. Now, applied AI refers to the use of machine learning models to address practical problems like classification, prediction. Its aim is to automate tasks, augment capabilities, and enhance decision-making process. Applied AI integrates advanced technologies to improve offerings and operational efficiencies across industries. Now, industries impacted by applied AI, aerospace and defense. Leveraging AI for predictive maintenance, flight optimizations, and mission planning. In agriculture, using AI to enhance crop yields, monitor soil quality, and optimize resource usage. In automotive and assembly, driving advancements in autonomous vehicles, manufacturing optimization, and predictive analytics. In aviation, travel, and logistics, in improving operational efficiencies, customer experience, and supply chain management through AI. In the field of business, legal, and professional services, it is used in enhancing contract reviews, compliance, monitoring, and process automation. In chemicals industries, it is used for optimizing chemical processes, safety protocols, and supply chain efficiencies. Now, the key metrics for applied AI. First is the interest score. In 2019, it was 0.26, and in 2023, it is 0.5, showing a growing interest in applied AI. In terms of innovation score, in 2019 it was 0.49 and in 2023 is 0.98, indicating a rapid increase in innovation around this technology. And in terms of adoption, it is 4 on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is just a frontier innovation and 5 is fully scaled. In terms of investment, in 2019 it had $57 billion and in 2023 it has $86 billion, highlighting a substantial growth in funding for applied AI initiatives. While the job posting within this trend have declined by 29% from 2022 to 2023, this might indicate a shift towards more specialized or consolidated role. The surge in investment and innovation, they highlight that applied AI remains a high priority technology with the potential to unlock significant value across sectors.